Governor Ron DeSantis signed a bill into law on Monday that was introduced because of an investigation from our 10 Investigates team. Last year, Jenna Bourne revealed how hundreds of government workers have been abusing their access to your sensitive personal information in a state-run database. Now she explains how that story changed Florida law.
This is why 10 Investigates exposes problems and loopholes that leave you vulnerable. Not just to tell you what's wrong, but to help that problem get fixed. In November, we told you some government workers, including law enforcement officers, were abusing their access to Florida's driver and vehicle information database, known as DAVID. DAVID gives users access to every Florida driver's license number, address, signature, medical and disability information, social security number, date of birth, vehicle information, and emergency contact info.
It's information that obviously could be used in identity theft, or it could be used for some nefarious purpose if it was leaked out.
It's meant to be a tool for government agencies and law enforcement to confirm information about Florida drivers. More than 900 state and local workers have gotten caught misusing that access since 2015. It happened to Eva Kennedy.
It's kind of odd that he would just seek me out after 20-something years to find out where I'm at and what I'm doing.
An August 2020 indictment of Joel Greenberg, former Seminole County tax collector and ex-associate of Congressman Matt Gaetz, said Greenberg misused his access to DAVID. The indictment said Greenberg obtained, disclosed, transferred, and used personal information of individuals whose personal information was in a motor vehicle record, including individuals with whom Joel Micah Greenberg was engaged in sugar daddy relationships.
Thank you and your colleagues for letting the rest of us know that this occasionally is an issue.
The law will help prevent people from misusing state databases like DAVID in two ways. First, by quadrupling penalties for government workers who misuse electronic databases from $500 to $2,000. Second, by requiring officers to get more training on how to use those databases appropriately.
To me, repetition is a form of emphasis. So at least now, initially and every year, every sworn officer is going to know that this database is there for a reason, and it's there for only that reason and nothing else. Stay out of it unless you are there for the reason that it was intended to do.
The bill passed unanimously in both the State House and Senate earlier this year.
Incredible journalism by our Jenna Bourne and our entire 10 Investigates team there. Let's take a deeper dive into the changes that this bill would make to Florida law enforcement training requirements. Now, the Criminal Justice Standards and Training Commission would have to include training on the appropriate uses of databases like DAVID in officers' initial certification. Every officer will also have to be retrained on it every year. The Florida Department of Law Enforcement estimates it's going to cost more than $37,000 in order to make those changes. Now, this investigation began on an episode of What's Brewing, a series on our Deeper Dive YouTube page. You can catch up on those episodes just by pointing your camera at this QR code. Don't take a picture, just point at it. A link's going to pop up at the top of your screen. You click on it, and it takes you to that Deeper Dive YouTube page.